Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell.
Welcome inside the Lay's factory, where millions of chips.
It all begins with carefully selected potatoes from farms.
Farmers harvest fresh potatoes at the perfect time. Trucks transport potatoes to the factory quickly.
Potatoes are unloaded and inspected for quality.
Only the best potatoes move to the next stage.
Potatoes are washed thoroughly with clean water.
Dirt and impurities are completely removed.
Machines peel the potatoes automatically.
Peeled potatoes move to slicing machines.
Potatoes are sliced into thin, even pieces.
The slices are checked for perfect thickness.
Slices are rinsed again to remove starch.
Excess water is removed before frying. Slices enter large frying machines.
They are cooked in hot oil at controlled temperatures.
Chips turn golden and crispy.
Oil is drained from freshly fried chips.
Chips move along conveyor belts smoothly.
Seasoning machines add delicious flavors. Different flavors are created for variety.
Quality control checks every batch carefully.
Broken or imperfect chips are removed.
Only perfect chips move forward.
Chips are weighed for packaging accuracy.
Automated machines fill bags quickly. Bags are sealed tightly. Each packet gets a production date stamp.
Finished packets move to packing lines.
Boxes are filled with chip packets.
Boxes are sealed and labeled. Pallets are prepared for shipping. Trucks load the packaged chips.
Chips are transported to distribution centers. From there, they reach stores worldwide.
Consumers enjoy chips anytime, anywhere.
Thanks for watching Inside the Lay's factory.
Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.